Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find out how to free up space fast on your Samsung Galaxy phone or Android phone. So all you have to do is just go to your settings, guys, and you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find device care and tap on that. Now from here, click on storage and you will see that it shows you how you can manage your storage. Now if you look towards the middle of my phone, you have a little gray box there and it says review all files. You want to tap on that. Now once you tap on that, it's going to show you all of those old files on your phone that you can delete. And all you have to do, just go ahead and tap on the select all and just simple tap on delete files, then click delete, and that will delete all of those old files. Now if you have more files on your phone in this area, you want to ensure that you look through those files and choose what you want to delete. So you'll have to select multiple files and then delete them. But once you do that, that should easily go ahead and free up space on your phone. That's very easy and very simple, guys.